Luckily, I was paying attention. This is why you have to pay attention. Right here, 36, 37, 38, and then I'm already right on its tail.
Dude, what the fuck happened there?
All right, so what happened with the Tesla software on this drive? Now, it was a normal day. I pulled out of the driveway like normal. I was going to go a couple miles down I-35 into Austin, Texas, and I've done this many times. This is one of my normal routes, and nothing like this has ever happened before. So I get on the highway, and everything's normal. The enhanced autopilot, or the FSD Highway, was doing fine, and there's a Mercedes that ends up pulling up beside me, and you'll see it right here. That silver Mercedes right there, I think, is the car that we end up right behind with a problem. And what ends up happening is that the car just doesn't respond at all. And actually, after reviewing it, accelerates into the vehicle with a warning much too late. Much too late. And one thing I've noticed is that the Tesla has been wanting me to change lanes. It actually wants me to exit and go around the traffic, which I really haven't been wanting to do because it's kind of dangerous and I just like driving straight in that lane. As this blue car comes up to me, it changes lanes. And then right here, the car kind of continues straight. And I expect the car to start slowing down as it approaches the Mercedes, but once it ends up happening, you see it 36, 37, 38, and then it never stops.
Dude.
And luckily I was paying attention. This is why you have to pay attention. Right here, 36, 37, 38, and then I'm already right on its tail.
What the fuck happened there?
So I had to slam on the brakes. I slammed on the brakes right when I disengaged the FSD. Put it back on, see what would happen if it would do it again. And on this one, nothing. No warning, nothing. And maybe I was being cautious and hitting the brake and turning it off early. Maybe I should have let it get closer. But it just seemed like it was just gonna keep going straight. So I've never had that happen before. Let me know what you think, if I was just being, way too cautious or whatever. But it definitely didn't seem normal, and it only did it behind that car. It's never done this before, ever. So, anyways, it's crazy, and that was it. We'll see what happens. Hopefully, it never happens again, and maybe they'll get an update going on that. So, we'll see. But let me know what you think down in the comments. Peace.